Hi, welcome back to the channel, M&J Fencing and Gates, aka The Gate Man. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're existing, good to see you again. Today we're just going to do a bit of posting, bit of cementing, and tell you how to do it the way we like to do it, which I think is the right way when you're doing Post-Crete. Customer's made us a lovely cup of tea, which we like, because when you're digging away 2 feet, and because there's such big posts, we have to extend the hoe, so it's a big hoe for all the cement. It is hard work, so thank you, customer, for making us a nice cup of tea. Okay, so if you can look down the hoe, we've had a few obstacles on this one. First of all, I've got a pipe. The next one, I've got decking. The next one, I've got the driveway. So what we've done is we've dug 2 feet down and we've dug away underneath, still making sure this is okay, and underneath the decking. So when we put the post here, there's still cement going around the post. The next obstacle is it's clay. It's wet. So when it's like this, what we do is put the plastic bag down. And then with that plastic bag, it will hold the cement in the plastic bag and not drain away into the clay and into the wetness. So first of all, we put the bag in first. The next bit is we're going to layer a small amount of cement on there. Not the water. I don't mix the water and the cement on this bit. I just layer a thin, an inch of cement, Post-Crete, at the bottom. Right, so if you come a bit closer, because I want you to see the hoe. Right, so we put the plastic bag down, we put a thin layer of stone down, okay, and then we're going to put a thin layer cement one.
Whole bag.
Post-Crete, sorry.
Post-Crete.
Right, I'm going to level this out. And that's going to cover the bag. Always remember, keep away from the fumes, because the fumes will go in your lungs. You get damage after a couple of years with your lungs, so be a bit careful. That's probably why I huff and I puff all the time, because I've got cement on my lungs. So, best advice, if you're doing this kind of work, wear a mask. So today we're using this one. Okay, you have to come a bit closer. It says on the bag, fast, 5 to 10 minutes, setting time, ideal for wood, metal and concrete post, which is good because we're using wood. On the back of it is your instructions. Come a bit closer. So with your instructions, it says make your hoe, put your post in, level your post up like Callum has just done with the spirit level, okay. Then put in a third of water and then a bag of concrete, post mix, sorry. Give it a stir to get the air bubbles out like I always do. And then let it set and then cement afterwards. And cement it afterwards and put a bit more water on top. Right, so that's just for a general guideline. It's only a guideline, okay. I always put more cement than water, because we all know water dilutes the cement. So you've got to be careful. Don't under post-crete it. You've got to get plenty down there. Right, because I put more or less one bag there, because it's very clayey and wet, and I put a plastic bag down there as well, I know that's going to be okay for about 2 or 3 minutes. So what I've got to do now is, I've got to open another bag up, ready, get the water in there, and fill it a third. So that's what I've got to do. Okay. Put one bag in. So that bucket, because the hole is so big, it wasn't a third, but it's okay. So I'm just going to pot it down. To get the air bubbles out as much as I can. And then I'm going to fill this back up with water. So, fill the water up again. Remember, it's such a big hole down here, this is going to be about that much of water. And then, just level it out with a hand, as you can see. Now I'm going to pot it again. It's setting quite quickly. Okay, so all I'm doing now is finishing off. We're putting a small layer of water over the top, and then we're going to scoop it down and a downwards. The customer is going to put pebbles all the way around as well. So always remember to read the label. Remember, it's only a guideline. You do what you think's best. I always put more concrete down. I always get moaned at for, oh, put loads of concrete down. Well, it's best. Then you know it's not going to move. So you need a small layer of concrete, some pebbles, your post in, another bag of concrete, your water, mix it round with the stick, get your air bubbles out, put another bag in, a bit more water, and do it in little stages. So you're not putting 3/4 of water in, because you can't see if that post mix is mixing up with the water or not. So you need to do it in layers. That's the best advice I can give you. So, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. We're here every Wednesday and Sunday, so if you can, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can see when we